So you want to make content for on YouTube and the only thing you have is an iPhone? Stay tuned in this video of Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel and put on your post notifications. But now let's get into today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube video so that you can put new content on your YouTube channel by only using your iPhone. The software on the iPhone for video editing, of course, and also uploading by using your iPhone. So stay tuned. Project. Of course, we are not going to use a trailer, but we are starting a movie. Then you see different kind of clips that I make with my iPhone. So that being said, you've got the option to select multiple videos or video clips or movie clips, depending on what you like to say about it. But in this case I've got some videos. Well, as you can see, when I take for example this one and I press make movie, in my case it says act film, that's Dutch, but in your case there should be standing make movie. So this is what I have at this moment. And I'm going to go to the end and I want to add a other video to it. So I have different kinds of options. I take for example unused media. So in this case you got the videos that are on your iPhone. So when you're going down, you see all different kind of videos. You also see by one of the videos that there is a little green line. Yeah, that's correct, because I was already editing a video for my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And so you can see that there is some editing done. That's why the green line is in the middle or on the bottom. So the second movie that I did use was the 1 minute and 24 seconds. So I'm going to take this one. As you can see, you get some multiple options. You get the plus, or for saying you can edit. You can also use the play button. Let's say like I want to put the whole video in it. So like this, it doesn't want, so just add the plus and then ta-da. Then you see in the middle between the one clip and the other clip, you see this funny box here. This is how you can change from the one video clip to the other one. Roll over, or I don't know how you call it in right English, but you can use different kind of ways. So well, let's make a fade. Yeah, so I'm going there and then I'll go to the end, so hopla, and add a other video. I had a pretty long one from 2 minutes and 70 seconds. I cut it a little bit because there were some things on it that I didn't want to have on it. So I'm going to use this one. I leave it like this now. I'm happy with the results. I can also do some soundtrack. Which one is nice? So you have different genres. Playful, back to normal. nothing funnier than summer. Okay, say like I want to have this in my video. Then I will put it under and then you get the green line. So, hey, but what about some text to it or something like this? Also that is possible. Then we are going to use the T, and which one we are going to use? Just put the Prisma and say like we want to have some cooking with Zachary. Done. So then you also can use some filter on it. Well, let's go crazy with the blockbuster. So everything is set, sound is okay, checked here, okay, done. Okay, then I press on the T here. So I'm clicking on the text and then I'm going to see if I can change the, I'm going to put it there. Sorry, tech. Done. Cooking with Zachary tech. I want to see if I can change it, but I think for this video clip it stays like this. So okay, then I press done and now it's asking for something. So well, I'm going to change it and now we call it cooking. Oh, cooking with capital Z, of course, Zachary, Zachary, hopla. So, done. So, the video is ready. I'm going to save the video now. So as you can see, you get multiple options to save the video. Of course, I want to save the video and not directly send it to any other application. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. Most ideal, you can save it directly on YouTube, but then you need to have iMovie. You have to give iMovie permissions to upload the video. So instead of that, I choose save video, and then of course you take the highest quality, because YouTube nowadays asks a video standard of HD quality and not the smaller videos like we used to have in the early days of YouTube. So that being said, I'm now exporting the video, so I need to wait a second, and I'm hoping that all is going fast enough so that you don't need to wait that long. The only thing that you have to do after this, you go to the YouTube app, and then we are going to save the video.
So that was today's video of how to record, edit and upload a video on your iPhone on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Peace.